What's up, squidgy slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome back to the Tradman YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to be talking about Razrglide. Stay tuned. So yes indeed folks, today we're going to be having a look at the Razrglide on the glass and talking a little bit more about it. So while I'm telling you a little bit about it, I'll bring it up on screen for you now on the website. So this is a premium concentrated window cleaning detergent, so you really do not need much of this to get great results. The ratio I normally use is 1 to 100. So for normally if I put in say 5 litres of water, I'll pop in 50 millilitres of detergent and I get a really nice consistency with that. It's really safe on the hands and it's biodegradable as well. And as you'll see in the upcoming footage, it leaves a really nice shine on the glass. Now when it comes to using it in sort of direct sunlight and warmer temperatures, this stuff performs really well also. So it doesn't dry out super quick. It does stay wet for quite a considerable amount of time. So this stuff is actually really nice to use if you're in a warmer climate as well. Now the cleaning power of this detergent is also super good. It cuts through dirt and grime really quickly, things like fingerprints, baked on bird's mess, things like that. It seems to tackle that really nicely as well. So price wise for the Razrglide, it's just over £13, that's including VAT for 5 litres of the detergent. If you buy it in a twin pack, you get it at a slightly reduced cost as well if you buy in batches of 2. And also remember folks, if you do buy anything from Window Cleaning Warehouse, that's normally where I buy my stuff. If you use the code TRADMAN10, so that's TRADMAN, all in capitals, followed by 10, you will get 10% off anything you buy. So if you fancy giving this stuff a go, punch in that code when you check out and you'll get 10% off as well. So hey, why not, eh? But yeah, so just over £13 and it lasts absolutely ages. This is my second bottle of the stuff. My first one lasted me absolutely ages. It was weeks and weeks of the stuff. Because like I say, even if you're using a ratio of 1 to 100, you're only using that sort of 50 millilitres at a time for that 5 litres of water roughly. Depends how soiled the windows are. If you want a little bit more, obviously pop in a bit more. But it lasts such a long time, you really do not need much of the stuff. So for that kind of price, I do think it's absolutely fantastic. Now to test the Razrglide, I used 2 different types of squeegee, a standard one and a precision one. Now if you're new to window cleaning, very briefly, the precision one puts a lot more pressure on the ends of the rubber to reduce detailing, but that causes a lot more friction, so it needs good glide. So I tested it with the precision one and a standard squeegee, this is an Unger one as well, to see how it performed over the last few weeks. Feel free to give this stuff a go. It's absolutely fantastic. You can use it on just about everything and anything. Nice and safe for your hands as well. So feel free to give it a go. Like I say, remember to use that discount code of TRADMAN10 as well, and enjoy this footage at the end of the Razrglide in action. Thank you very much folks. You take care, be good, and bye for now.